Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Jeep Grand Cherokee? Here's one right here for you. This is the 2017 Grand Cherokee. Stock number is 7026. Let's take you on the exterior and interior walk around of this vehicle. This vehicle only has 16,000 miles, absolutely low miles. Does come equipped with the 5.7 liter V8 with the Hemi motor. Even has 1 year's worth of Sirius XM radio service. That's absolutely a nice little added benefit. Warranty protection for life and oil changes for life at no cost to you. How does that sound? It's included. Lots of legroom in the back. Traveling with friends or family, you're gonna, maybe taking the dog or groceries here in the exterior rear. Lots and lots of room, beautiful leather. It's got the moonroof, of course. Got your climate control and your controls in the rear for your friends and family that might be driving with you. And we're gonna get out of the rear. Let's put you in the driver's seat. Absolutely impeccable. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior. Heated seats, power seats, as you can see. An absolutely flawless low-mile Jeep Grand Cherokee. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. For more information on this Jeep Grand Cherokee or any others in our inventory, either give us a call, email us, or text us. We look forward to answering those questions. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.